In this video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. What you can do is you can just head over to drawio.com and then you should be able to see this. As you can see, they have no login or registration required. And then diagram generation uses OpenAI, which is also ChatGPT. So on their website, you can just input right here or describe right here diagram. Let's input right here 5-step flowchart about photosynthesis. You can just input right here your prompt, click on this generate. Then this will open right here this new tab and you can see that the flowchart maker of our Draw.io is now loading. So for this case, make sure as well that your JavaScript is enabled in order to actually use our Draw.io. So as you can see, it's actually generating the prompt that we have inputted earlier. And here it is right here already added. This is powered by ChatGPT or OpenAI. You can also just edit it. Like for example, change the text, change the size, change the colors, as well as the font size. You can also add some lines, change the opacity, the styles, change the value properties, and also rearrange it like bringing it forward, rotating it, tapping the grid, and grouping it all together. You can also create diagrams from scratch by adding general shapes like this rectangle, then let's add another one. And you can also add right here some kind of arrow and preposition that in order to connect these two together right here. So as you can see, the easiest way is to use ChatGPT, which we have done or which we have done earlier. So I recommend doing that instead of manual adding. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.